Today, we're going to be talking about Tonkatsu sauce from our Cook's Ingredients range. It's like a Japanese blend of Worcestershire sauce and brown sauce, and I'm going to be showing you 3 simple recipe ideas where you can incorporate the sauce. First up, we're going to do a simple pork tenderloin. So here's our lovely pork tenderloin that we've browned off in a pan and then roasted for about 10 or 15 minutes, depending on the size, in the oven. I'm just going to slice it against the grain, nice thin slices. We're just getting a spoonful of the sauce and drizzling it over the top of the tenderloin. And that's going to go fantastically well with your favorite vegetables. Next up, we've got tonkatsu as a condiment. We're going to mix that in with some mayonnaise just to really brighten up your burgers. So whenever I'm making my tonkatsu mayonnaise, I tend to use a 1/3 tonkatsu to 2/3 mayonnaise proportion. It's just a matter of adding the sauce to the mayonnaise, mixing well, and then we're going to pop that on our burger. So we've got a chicken katsu burger here, and the reason tonkatsu mayonnaise goes so well is that extra element of spiciness and fruitiness. It really gives it a lift. Finally, we're going to move on to our third dish, a really simple vegetarian noodle bowl. I'm just going to mix in some of the tonkatsu sauce into our broth to really make that a full-flavoured, punchy soup. Tonkatsu is vegan, so it's of course suitable for vegetarians as well. I'm just going to lay that hot broth over some noodles and wonderful steamed vegetables. Then we're going to add some crispy tofu, just using a garnish of black and white sesame seeds over the top. And there you have it, 3 wonderful, simple recipes to incorporate tonkatsu sauce. For more great Cookery School recipes, click to subscribe.